Milk, all right. A little bit of milk. Then we're going to go ahead and put the froth in there. Today we're going to bring in a froth machine today. If you guys can see it, beautiful. It looks like a cup. You can actually fill it up with milk. And then if you guys can see, there's actually the whipper in the bottom to whip the milk into the froth. Item is on the bottom. You actually have to lock it in, and this is the other part of it. And they did give you a couple feet of cord, of course, and this is a flat base. Once it gets, there's some rubber ends at the bottom, and you just basically put it on the bottom. The cup goes in the bottom, and then it just locks in here, basic like that. Now they do give you the cover. Just be aware that this cover, you need to wash it, and also there's a rubber ends that you can take off and actually wash too. And they give you an extra whipper, one of those whipping metal stainless steel, and included with the lock. It's included with the instructions, and there's a couple of things you should know on the bottom of it. All right. The actual first one, if you guys can see it, there's a hot, thick milk foam button, a hot, thin milk foam button, a hot milk, cold milk foam, and that's pretty much it. So not just gonna get a whip on the foam, but it actually heats up too, so you could have that option. And you can see the little smoke coming out of here, the little icon. You guys can see. I'm gonna put it a little closer. Now this is my new one. This was my old one right here. Big giant monster compared to it, you know. I know they're both almost similar size, but this is, I like, more complicated. You had a magnet that used to spin around and whip the actual milk, and you only had 3 options in here: cold, hot, and medium, and that's about it. And then the cover itself. But this one, it's like you could hold it, you could serve it. On this one, you couldn't really do that much. It was not that much. You can see the actual froth, but this one you're gonna have to measure it, of course. And there's some line measurements in here that go here, how much milk you're supposed to, minimum to maximum. And of course, we're gonna set it up and see how it works today. So let's go ahead and do that. We fill up to the max on the milk, all right? And we're gonna heat it up. We're gonna go ahead and set this up. So let's go ahead and put this in there in place. If you guys can see it, just lock it in place. I'm gonna put the top in. There's a power button here that you need to be aware, all right? It's kind of hidden, so it's right here. It's a little rubber end. So you turn it on, and then you choose what you want. So to select, you gotta turn it on and keep pushing the button to select the mode. It tells you what you want, right? So we're gonna turn it off. We're gonna do 1, 2, and we're gonna do the 2. We're gonna take off the cup, pour a little bit on the actual coffee. Get a cup of this, put it in there. Look at that, beautiful. Oh, I like it. And nice and warm too. Oh, it's actually pretty good. Milk, all right. A little bit of milk. Then we're gonna go ahead and put the froth in there. Easy as that. There we go. We got these 2 going here, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoy the video.